Okay, it's January 1st, 2020. I took this pop-up camper, 1992 Jayco pop-up camper, hot water heater out of the pop-up camper, stripped it, got it for parts, you know. I've got it outside here just for a test mode. Filled up the tank with about 12 gallons of water. Got a little flow jet pump, small lawnmower, 12-volt battery, propane tank. Going into the hot water heater. And it's just all set up right for now, just to see if everything's working. And the flame ain't supposed to be coming out like that, I'm sure. So I'll have to investigate and see what's wrong with that. And I'm feeling the tank. I don't think the water's warm yet, of course. But let me hook up this pump. Let's see if it's warm. It's got air in it, see? It doesn't feel warm, that's for sure. Got a long way to go. Hard to do this with one hand. Anyway, again, do this. Well, at least it's working, so I just have to kind of adjust that flame and see what's going on and why that's doing that. I know that I can adjust this air cage down here. I can undo that little nut and make that go in and out to let more air in there. And it, maybe that's the problem, I'm not sure. So, I'll shut it off for now. There, shut that off. Anyway, and if it works real good, I'll be putting it in our Skoolie. I'll have to cut a hole in the bus, but I'll figure that one out. Over and out.